Hi my peeps, what's up, what going? So guys, long time you not see my face. I might do a little bit of video here and there without you seeing my face, me showing my face. But today guys, boy, my face are going bad with the bumps. But anyhow, welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. I'm gonna do a quick little hair tutorial. Alright, hair video. Knotless box braid, like updo, half updo. As you can see guys, me cut off my hair. Me cut it myself. You want to line up. I cut half of it, like the sides. My brother said I cut it off too much up here. I should have cut it down here, but it will grow back. So I, me cut my hair all the time. So it's like this. I wash it, oil it. Now I'm gonna blow dry it, all right. And after I'm gonna put few long, like maybe to my boobs, or a little bit longer, braid, maybe to my boobs. Extension. I got 2 packs of these expression at the at the, what you call this, it's like a wholesale, like, so I got 2 packs expression, and they said they're long, 84 inches, so I'm gonna cut them in 2. I don't want 84 inches. All right guys, so I'm gonna blow dry my hair. What I'm using today, I got this shining jam from my sister. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use this. I don't have a tail comb, and I have this mirror, and I have this one. All right guys, so this is the hair. I cut it in 2 and I frizz it out or frill it out or uneven the end a little bit. So it's not much in it, but I cut it in 2, so that will do. I'm gonna like do 3 strands, 3 pieces. All right guys, I make my part. I do not like this jam. It's hard inside, but once you take it out, it starts to melt on your hair, and it's oily. I don't know if it's oily or what, but it's so slippery. So I do not like this one either. I got this from the Dollar Tree, and it's this one. It said Edge Wax, but this is it. It's white when it's dry, but it's also firmer than this one. So I think I'm gonna mix both together and see how it works. When I put it on my ends also, it makes it curly, this one. Yeah. How are you say there? What you say? Who fi do what? Alright guys, so I hope you can see. I don't know, hope you can see good. So anyhow, I'm gonna put it in 3. And I'm gonna go under. I like to start it first. You don't have to plot it out, but I like to. And I just put the next one underneath like that. And then I just start to plait. Mixing them guys, it's better than this one. It makes my hair curly because I have curly hair. It's not good for my hair. I hate it. And it makes it so slippery. Oh. All right guys, I'm gonna finish, then I'm gonna come back and show you. I'm gonna plait it out just like this. Oh, 3 minutes already. All right guys, I'll be back. All right guys, so this is how it's looking, my knotless. I'm gonna go ahead and do, I don't want the video to be too long, and plus my face all oily, you know. All right guys, I mean, I don't know if I show up everything, but this is the hairstyle. All right, I braid it and I finish it and I line up the side. Bye. This is how it's looking. All right guys, so this is lunchtime. I didn't eat anything all day and it's lunchtime now. So this is what my Jamaican lunch look like. Some Flagstaff, my favorite bread, Flagstaff bakery. Yeah, I love them bread. So I have one slice, so I start eat it. Some fried chicken. I just paid $500 for the fried chicken. I have brown stew chicken, but that's for later. We had to put the overnight rice and peas from the Sunday dinner. And I'm having some guava pineapple cool. I add ice to it because I don't want it too sweet. Some ketchup. I'm gonna put funny chicken. The lady put ketchup butter. A little bit of ketchup. One ketchup. Tell my daughter to eat peas. I know what she had one with. Alright, so this is my lunch, like one of my lunch. Yesterday I went to Montego, so I had chicken patty and cocoa bread and this juice. I love this juice. It's so refreshing. So refreshing. My daughter liked the tangerine flavor, but I like the guava pineapple. Alright. So we just brought the bread. Barbecue chicken. Thank God I'm just this is my lunch in Jamaica. Outside there. Outside bright and nice. Sunny. I'm here, Sunny, walking through the bushes. She's walking through the bushes. Sunny, you got it? Auntie Camille walking. Son, then home you go come down, Camille. Get it. Sunny walking through the bushes. We're going to get ride. Oh, we're at the road now. All right guys, I am through the bushes as well, walking through the bushes. We're going to get ride because when we were up at the other road, ride now come up there, so we get ride quicker down at this one. So that's why we're down at the road. Sunny, say hi. We're at the road. And we get ride, guys. So rider come, we're at the road. Good evening, guys. So this is my dinner: white afo, white yam, dasheen, dumplings, and yellow yam. All right. And this is it: some brown stew chicken with little pasta. Guys, you must have seen me eat a lot of brown stew chicken. It's so easier. I buy fried chicken, but I don't really fry chicken. Like, you know, you have to catch it up and make it up. All right, I'm going to share it and then I'm going to show you. I don't know what I'm going to drink yet. All right, my peeps, so this is it: brown stew chicken, dasheen, yam, two kind of yam, yellow and white yam, one dumpling. I'm gonna dive in it, guys. And so this is what I'm drinking. I have some leftover cool. I really want some lemonade. that's it. All right, guys, you have a good day. Again, TSP side dashi. Oh my god, look how dry. If you make sure you not choke, you know, guys, be careful, it's so dry. All right, guys, me gone mosquito bite me. I'm gonna get some half palm with food. I can't meal dumpling too, guys. So good.